Good morning, friends, and welcome to Wondering Wednesday. It is March 3rd, 2021. It is 3/2/2021, and it is day 101. It is also World Wildlife Day. Please stand to salute our flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please join me in reciting the Aborn School Pledge. I respect myself. I respect others. I respect my learning environment. I am ready to learn. Please be seated for the morning announcements. It is welcoming Wondering Wednesday, so hop on over to Schoology and take today's poll. Today's poll is going to be on peanut butter and how you like to eat it. Mrs. Kenny will be following her progress monitoring schedule today so that grades K-2 can progress monitor their kiddos. And here is a video about this year's World Wildlife Day. And this year's theme is forests and livelihoods, sustaining people and planets.
Forests are our home. We share it with the most diverse and beautiful plants and animals. There are millions of us around the world calling forests home. Forests and forest species provide for us. They give us everything we need, from food to fresh water and medicines. For thousands of years, forests have cared for us, and we have learned to care for them too. Join us in caring for our homes and all the communities who rely on them. This World Wildlife Day, let us celebrate forests, forest species, and the countless human livelihoods they sustain.
Do your part, friends, to save the planet. You can recycle, you can pick up trash on the beach, you can turn off the water when you're brushing your teeth, you can take shorter showers, and you can walk instead of take the car. So those are some ways that you can help save the planet. Don't forget, everyone, if it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. Take the Save the Planet challenge, everyone. Have a wonderful day. And don't forget to hop over to Schoology to take today's Wondering Wednesday poll.